it's here. Hey guys, I'm KP. We got a new lens in today. I'm super excited about this. I saw this a few months ago. I've been waiting for this lens to come out. It finally shipped to the US, finally showed up, so let's get right into it. All right, get this open here. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, so here we go. The Sigma 35mm 1.4 for Sony. This is Sigma's first Sony E-mount lens series that they've came out with. So far they have the 35 and the 85 shipping in the US. I just got this one in. They also have a 14, a 24, a 50, an 85, 135, the whole way up. So we're gonna get this lens, we're gonna open it, we're gonna test it out today, see what we like about it, what we don't like about it, maybe buy some more of these in the future. All right, so let's see what's in the package here. Got your manual-ish. I love about Sigma is that whenever they send you a lens, they send you a very nice case to put it in. So let's open it up here. Got your lens hood. Ooh, that's heavy. It's a lot heavier than I expected it to be, actually. All right, so here it is. Let's get this clutter cleared off here so I can get it out of the way. Everything out of the way. Okay, so first impressions on this. Again, it's heavy. It feels like it's got a good quality build though. It's got a nice shine to it. I really like the finish quality on it. It just has one of those really solid feelings for a lens. I know some of those lenses, like the cheaper lenses you get, have a real plasticky, cheap feeling. This does not. I'm curious on how it's going to feel on a gimbal, putting this on top of, with say, the Sony a7S II that I use, and then putting it on a gimbal, how much the weight's going to factor into being able to use it and carry it around all day. All right, so let's get into the specs of this a little bit. It is Sigma's first Sony E-mount lens. It's a 35mm focal point. It is a 1.4 aperture, so it's really nice for us filmmakers shooting in low light, especially myself. I shoot a lot of weddings, so for filming in the receptions and things like that, it's key to have something with a low aperture. It also has autofocus, which I was excited about. While I do love working with the manual lens, like the Rokinon lenses that myself and Josiah use are manual, it is nice sometimes to have an autofocus lens, especially just for run and gun type of situations. Sometimes you just need some autofocus. All right, so I'm not going to get too in depth with this right now. I really want to get outside and do some testing with it, shoot some B-roll, get some that smooth bokeh, maybe compare it to Josiah's Rokinon 35mm lens since they're very similar in build. So let's get out and shoot some B-roll. So we're here at Salmon Bridge State Park. I got my buddy here, Parker. You've probably seen his Beetle before in some of the videos I've shot if you follow some of my work. He's going to help us out. We're going to use him as a test subject to shoot with the 35mm. I'm going to shoot it on my a7S II. And then Josiah is on his GH5 here. He's going to get some shots of us doing that filming. So let's get some of that juicy B-roll for you. Alright, so initial thoughts, the weight is, it's a little heavy on my Ronin M. It's having a little bit of trouble keeping it balanced, just doing the pans up and down. The autofocus itself isn't, from what I'm seeing, isn't great so far. Even when I'm manually pushing the shutter button to have it focus, it seems like it's taking a little longer than usual. Granted, it's not like a native Sony, I mean it is a Sony lens, but it's not like a Zeiss lens. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look and see if there's any issues with that people have seen so far with these. Good things about it, the quality of it is amazing. The picture is great. You're just shooting some things, some really shallow depth of field stuff. It's very crisp, even at f1.4. And we're doing a little comparison with the Rokinon 35. Seems like it's a little sharper. I won't know until I get it up on the screen. But so far, impressed with the picture quality of the lens. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our review of this Sigma 35mm lens. I hope you enjoyed that B-roll that we just got for you. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And